Alrighty, so for kit number 3, we have the Color Preservation for Blonde Hair Kit. Now, this is a really good one for people that have blonde hair, or like a light brown close to blonde hair, but they really want to make sure that their roots aren't showing as much, especially with the sparkles, which are grays. So this is two products that we're offering, and basically what it is, it's the Verb Dry Shampoo in the shade Dark. And also, it's the Watercolor Root Concealer in the shade Blonde. Now, that sounds weird, right? Using a dark, dry shampoo and a blonde root spray. But in actuality, those two together blend so perfect to make the perfect blonde shade. It's not too light, not too dark, just right in between. Using these products, it's recommended to first make sure that your hair is completely clarified from any built-up product. It's shampooed and conditioned. Once the hair is dry, not wet, please apply the dry shampoo just from afar, like maybe like just from my hands out, like right here, as well as the root conceal right on top. It's an airbrush, both of them. So when it falls, it's gonna blend. You can even use your finger if you want just to blend it up just like that at the edges. Don't worry, the root conceal will not bleed onto your skin. It will not leave the forehead any type of shade of color, no matter if you sweat or if you go swimming. Just keep in mind that those products are used for those purposes. Or if your hair is already washed and it's the second day, you can use dry shampoo and the color conceal and you're good to go for the day. If you have any questions or concerns, just give us a text or a call.